Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745 and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. To do it, you have to right click the desktop in any empty area, then select Personalize, then open the background section, and then you can personalize your background by expanding this list of options and selecting one of them. The first option for your wallpaper is the simple image or picture. You can select one of the recent images. For me, those are default Windows or Microsoft images. You can select each one that you like to. They're available for everyone. You can also select your own photo by selecting Browse Photos and then choosing a photo from your File Explorer. And you can choose a fit for your desktop image by expanding this list and selecting the fit that you like. The second option is a solid color, which lets you use just one color as your desktop background. You can select one of the default ones or click View Colors and go with the custom color instead. The third option is a slideshow, and for a slideshow you're gonna need to create and select a folder full of images that will change every once in a while. To select a folder that you created, you have to click Browse and then click on a folder, choose this folder, and this folder will be used as a folder of your wallpapers. To change the frequency of images changing, expand this list and choose the value that fits you the most. You can shuffle the picture order by switching this toggle, and you can let the slideshow run even if you're on battery power, but by switching this toggle to the right. And you can also choose a fit for your desktop images by selecting a value in this list. The last option is Windows Spotlight, which is basically just a random image presented to you by Microsoft, and you can learn more about the place in this picture by clicking right here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.